Hello guys, welcome to the second video on my channel. This here, I was doing the, what was this? League's Eye, League's Eye, and I finished the Icons League of that, so I'm a bit to submit it, and I'll be back for a pack opening later, so just so you can see what icon I get. If it's lucky, I'll see if I get any icons like I got today in the 194, so nah, thinking moments. English. Cinematic. Well, it was higher than the last one, so yeah. I'll guys back for the pack opening later when I finish getting money, because I was about to do it and I realised I have no money, so yeah. Oh, right, I'm back and I've got got the coins, so start pack opening. Start with a gives them knockouts. It was our team of the group stage. I just didn't know. Right. So a good start at 89. Sun. See what else we get. Just a bunch of players got to the ball back. I'm not opening all of the lightning round because I've not got enough in packs like the team of the year and team of the season pack. You get nothing out of, so there's nothing. There's no reason to open them. Got Pulisic there, and just a bunch of players got. Special plus team of the season pack. Rodell, see what else I get. Nothing again. See regular actually not bad. Named Kadira as well. Walkout. That's not really a walkout, but 88 plus. Chiellini. 89. Right, it's good. The new player. Right. Special plus packs. Nothing. Party. Next special plus pack. Nothing again. Let's see if we get some of this. No. I mean, Cannett's actually not bad. Da Costa. Infidel. Special pack. Nothing. Next. Nothing. Champions League pack. Kia. Robin and Stellan. Team Group packs. Ooh. 87 or higher. Fabinho. Well, this has been hard, but at least I've got a few special packs and I've got someone there. So, Team of the Week pack. Froze weirdly there. Get German. Leverkusen or Brandt. And nothing. Last one is well, they were alright. I've got some money, so I'm just hoping the team one of them. See if I get anything. Nothing again. Just matter. Ooh. No. Jekyll. No Tadic. And nothing. Should get in there. Ooh. Rattled. Yeah. It's the second one off. Does it look at now? And nothing. Laborde. And no Larry. Sit down that. And special plus pack. Category French. Kia. 87 Kia. Is all the rest of these. Like plus pack. Sanchez. Oh. Plus. Hazard. Right, Hazard. Good.
Ready for that? Sorry.
Struggle pack. The pulse. Nothing. Something actually. Yeah. Back and Team the Week pack. The League is just MLS and China are the Chinese Super League players, so none of them are they're good, but like they're all just like 86 and below, so a special pack. The match. Got that to sell. Yeah. Martinez. Let's see if getting anything different is top to go to like packs. Nope. Kepa. Right. Ronaldo. Again. Allison. And the last one. Nothing. The Allison. And Bali in there, so yeah, I may as well just open the free special pack, so well, I got nothing out of that. It's Hoffman, so yeah, that's it for the video. and you can have a look at the play my cards for it. And